Hey guys, we are in beautiful Turks and Caicos, one of my favorite places in the world, and I have to show you guys this estate. This is Mandalay. It's on about 2.5 acre lot, and it has so much to offer. It's so special. I've actually never seen anything like it, so come along and let's do the grand tour. So we have a couple guest rooms out here, and you guys got to see this. Home gym, nothing better than a home gym. No excuses that way. We need to get in here later and do get a little pump going. Honey, I'm home. Okay, so right when you enter, there's 2 bedrooms on either side. You guys are gonna kind of be getting the first impression of this with me as well, because it's so massive. I haven't got to explore every corner just yet. Wow. Okay, we have an outdoor shower. I've seen a lot of outdoor showers around here. You guys know I love that. Wow, so pretty. Okay, second guest room. Actually, this is like the 4th because I showed you that there's 2 in the front, right at the entrance, but another beautiful guest room. Outdoor shower again, of course. So beautiful. So one of my favorite things about this property is the massive pool that stretches all the way down the center of the property. Of course, check out this beautiful fire pit. We got a hot tub over here. One of the hot tubs over here, and then there's this beautiful swim up bar over here. You could be serving drinks. I love that. We definitely need to get a drink later there. Wow, this pool is so gorgeous. We were swimming in it yesterday, and it's just so stunning. And this view, like, I love this place. I love that they have these little built-in tables and seating. Eating while you're in the pool, that's such a vibe. There's 2 of those, and we were also enjoying the beach yesterday, and it's nice and private, so I love that. There's a deck with tons of chairs I'll show you guys for sunbathing. You know what always blows my mind is how beautiful and blue and bright turquoise, clear, white sand Turks and Caicos is. That's why it's one of my favorite places. It's just stunning. I hope you guys can see on camera how bright blue and just, it's gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's check out the main kitchen. Formal dining, gorgeous. Look at that view. Oh my God, this is stunning. Wow, I would be out here every morning with my coffee, 1000%. This is so stunning. Oh, I love it here. Beautiful wine cellar. Maybe we could pop a little bottle tonight. Ooh, this like transforms you to another country for sure. So up here, we have the members invite only lounge bar. The Mandalay. I love every part of this place. I'm like, where would I even hang out? Like, I'd be here, I'd be over there. Wow. This is like the 5th bedroom I'm seeing. Beautiful upper level. So it looks like the downstairs rooms have the outdoor shower, and then these ones have the indoor. Such a beautiful space. I could definitely see why celebrities are choosing to stay here and why this place is so magnificent. Like, it's gorgeous. Okay, we're on like the 6th bedroom now. Beautiful. I love the cohesiveness. Another gorgeous countertop. Are you guys ready to see the master suite? To die for. Welcome to the master suite. So we have the built-in TV, comes down so you don't block the gorgeous, stunning view. Wow, right off of the master suite. Stunning master room. Of course, every room has its own little balcony. Such a gorgeous tub. Wow. So welcome to the master bathroom. Lots of closet space. Private jacuzzi, another outdoor shower, imagine romantic nights out here. Wow, this place has enough space to like really entertain multiple families for sure. But this is so nice. Wow, I have to come out here at night. See, private little master sanctuary. I love that. Well guys, thanks for joining me on the beautiful Mandalay house tour. I'm gonna enjoy the pool and get a little sun, hang on the beach maybe. Make sure to stay tuned and don't forget to hit like on this video and subscribe. Bye guys.